Yeah, I figure I better put some pants on. Let me do this and then I'll see if I can squeeze the back and at least get something.
Yeah.
Or give it a wipe down.
Someone take some of that spray, the dust spray. I know, we put them away, we just yank them away. That's what happens when
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's quite a bit better of weather out here since the last time. Last time it was a nice day, but it was flipping hot. Today we're gonna have like a high of 18, low of +4, so we're gonna probably break out the diesel heater tonight. So yeah, hopefully my battery doesn't die this time around, but I disconnected my DC to DC charger. Hopefully I didn't rectify that. That'll rectify that. But yeah, this is the site. There's Gemini all set up. It's pretty nice. Friend's hanging out in her new chair that I bought her because the other one catastrophically failed. Yeah, fire pit, but that doesn't flip a battery either. So yeah, it's a pretty nice night. I should shut this door before my batteries die again. Yeah, we have to pay for our site, and then I think we're gonna go for a walk to the falls. And I have a beer 30. How would you like that? It's gonna be awesome. Delicious one I've never had before. Of course, it's Dead Frog, so they're just awesome. So yeah, we decided to come to a campsite for a change. This is Livingston provincial rec site. We just felt like something different for a change. So, and it's really quiet in here. It's definitely quiet, except for, you know, the birds and, you know, chipmunks giving us the gears for being in their spot. There's a few people here. There's someone here, but other than that, there's no one really across from us. Go away, man. Oh, wasp is attacking me. I don't know what I did to him, but yeah, there's nobody over there. There's nobody over there, so there's only someone behind us, but that's pretty much it. But anyways, we're gonna hang out. We're probably gonna go for a walk. We need to pay for the campsite, and then I think we're gonna go check out the falls. There's a waterfall here. They're kind of cool. I've been here a few times. I actually filmed a video probably a year ago, or so. So I will. I'll see you when we get back. All right. Have a good one.
What? All got the same sunny football. All the athletes. Like
Met her in a backyard years ago, in a town I didn't know. I never got her name, but I had a light and she was a flame. We swayed 4 hours to the wrecking machine, playing quiet from a balcony. She was wild like the mountain wind. Down the road I'll meet her again. On a strawberry.
Hey everyone, we came back from our walk from the falls. I guess you could call it falls. I don't know.
they call it a falls.
They call it a falls. Yeah. But yeah, we're just gonna have some food. Then we're gonna hang out. I think we're gonna have a beer 30 and a fire later and some s'mores. And well, she'll have s'mores. I'm not a big fan of s'mores.
S'mores are the best.
So yeah, it's a beautiful day. Definitely not roasting our ass like last time.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, and no
horse flies.
And flies. Actually, flies are pretty minimal here, which I'm okay with. So
Yeah, I haven't been bit by anything yet.
well, I think I got a mosquito bite, but I missed that guy. I didn't have the thermostat pumping early enough, but they're gone now. They're gone now. So, all right, we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna just hang out and relax and do our thing. All right, see you later. Hey everyone, welcome back. Got the propane fire pit going. I can't shut it off because, well, the 1 pound tank doesn't really have a shut off, and it's just going, and I can't get the tank off until it's empty. So that's it. Disadvantage. Yes, you could use that fire pit with 1 pound tanks, but there's trials and tribulations with it. We're just gonna go with that. But we're just getting supper ready. Some bison burgers. Yum. Only bad thing is, I forgot to put the cheese in the cooler. Never even thought of it. Actually, I kind of thought my girlfriend was gonna just double check to make sure everything was in there, but that's what you get for assuming. Don't ever assume.
Oh, this is what happens when I work midnight.
Yeah. I tried.
I know. You
I
did
got
good.
most of it.
It's fine.
I got the important parts. Unfortunately, it's just not gonna be the same. Yeah, it's been a nice day. Like, not hot, not super cold. It's cooling off now. That's why, hence, shorts gone, pants on. What you looking for, babe? I have it in my hand because it was gonna fly away.
Okay.
See, I was looking up for you. There you go. We can probably just put that in a Ziploc bag. It'd be better that way. Excuse me. Just helping the girlfriend out. Good job. That'll work. Yeah, this has definitely been a lot more comfortable of a camping trip than last time. Last time was
So hot.
it was so hot.
So
It
hot.
was like it was a good time. Don't get me wrong, but it was so hot,
Those bugs were
and
ridiculous.
the bugs were bad. Mosquitoes, black flies.
They were so bad.
They're pretty good. We seen a couple horse flies, but that's it. What's
Nothing
up?
crazy. Nothing. I'm waiting for this to dry a little bit.
Oh, I was wondering what you were doing, holding that up there. I'm like,
Just like
"My
hanging out with the
girlfriend's having a
tomato.
stroke." Ooh.
Hanging out with the tomato. It's my friend Bob. The tomato.
Yeah, it's got a little bit busy here. There's a few more people than when we showed up, so that's fine. I don't normally.
So I'm just gonna take a little piece of lettuce and then the rest of
Yeah,
it.
usually. I'm gonna put this. I'll be right back. Do you want to bring this out while we're at it?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't want to get my finger caught because that would have sucked. I already fell today. Didn't get that on video, but it would have been hilarious.
It was an epic fall.
But it could have been really bad, actually.
It
The
could
way
have
I
been.
fell,
Could have been very
I was trying to keep myself from hitting that tree or the rock. So, yeah, the little plastic stool I used to put away my my rooftop tent or get up on my tailgate, it decided it was going to break when I came down one time. And yeah, I went flying. My shoulder's still a little angry from it. No broken bones. Yay. All right, peeps. We're going to cook food and then we'll see you back for a beer 30. I get a really good one. Yes, it's Dead Frog again.
Shocker.
Polly? Yes, I like Dead Frog. You know who I'm talking to. It's the best beer on the planet right now for me. I haven't had a bad one yet. Actually, yes, I did. The raspberry one was not good. I've had a bad one, but that's only one out of many. All right, I'll see you back for Bison burgers.
I'm almost too short for this.
Hey everyone, Bison burger, and guess what? Yeah, baby, happy beer 30. There's a watermelon warhead. I really hope I'm not disappointed because the last time I had one of the warhead beers, it was just not my favorite. Fingers crossed, but I have a second beer just in case. Holy cow, that is really actually very, very good. Girlfriend, definitely
I'm not
wouldn't
gonna
like
try
this
it.
at all. You can taste the watermelon and then the tartness of the lemon in it. Holy cow, it's so good. So good. But yeah, this has been a good camping trip, man.
Mhm.
It's perfect temperature. It's gonna be chilly tonight, diesel heater, but it's gonna be good. We're missing something. Oh yeah, cheese, because
Cheese and mayo.
we forgot. Actually, it was kind of a miscommunication. Sandra usually takes care of all that kind of stuff. And she checks on if I pack it. But I thought she was going to, and she never did. And meh, whatever. It is what it is. It's nobody's fault. It just...
It was one of those weeks.
Wow. Those are good burgers.
Mm-hmm. 8
Cooked
plus
perfectly.
8 plus would buy from him again.
100%. All right, we're gonna eat this up. I think we're gonna have a fire and just hang out, and then I think we might just see you in the morning. I'm tapped out with videoing today. All right, so I'll see you in the morning, but. Good morning, everyone. Had a very good sleep. Diesel heater didn't quite make it. It shut down at about 5:30 this morning. It's definitely a chilly morning this morning. It's probably like, I would say 3 or 4 degrees. It's definitely not warm. I have my thermals on right now and a jacket, and it's definitely chilly. On a crappy note, my batteries are dead again. I don't know what's going on. It's either one, I have a parasitic drain somewhere, which I'm gonna look into probably this weekend coming up, or during the week sometime this week. And I'm gonna just have to buy a boost pack, because at least, I have an option. If my batteries are dead, I can always boost myself and I don't have to go look for someone to boost me. So yeah, worst case scenarios, I'm gonna have to replace my battery, but it should be under warranty. Yeah, I'll have to find my credit card statement, because I did buy it on my credit card, like winter of 2002 or 2003. So I don't think it's really that old, and I think Eliminator batteries have a 5-year warranty. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the diesel heater. I'm totally impressed with that diesel heater. But anyways, my girlfriend's on logs. I'm just waiting for her to get up. I'm gonna probably start unloading the back of the truck to get it prepared to start loading stuff in and packing up, and then I'll see you when we're leaving. Alright people, I'm back. Took a little bit, waited for Sandra to get up, and then had to get a boost. Thank you to the people family that boosted me. It was awesome. There is some cool people out there, or else we would have been dead in the water. I don't know why we were. So I'm gonna have to check for a parasitic drain in my truck and see what the frick the deal is. It was sitting fine all day. Got there at about 9-10 o'clock, and it basically was fine. And then I started my vehicle at about 5. It was still fine. And then I went to start it before bed, and it was dead. So I'm really confused. But anyways, I'm gonna leave you at that. Please like, subscribe, comment. Until next time, stay adventurous. Bye.